These Yol-du-tors are very, very easy to make, and they only require 3 ingredients. A packet of puff pastry ready-made, it saves you making it yourself. Some strawberry jam. The actual Finnish recipe suggests you use prune jam, but I'm not really that brave, so I'm just going to use strawberry jam, and a beaten egg. The first thing you need to do is preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 220 degrees Celsius, gas mark 7 or 200 degrees if you have a fan oven. Next, take your puff pastry out of the packet and put it on a floured surface. If you're using a block of puff pastry, you need to roll it out until it's 1/8 of an inch thick and roughly a rectangle 12 inches by 9 inches. If you're using ready rolled puff pastry, you just need to roll it out a little bit more. The next thing you need to do is take a knife and cut your pastry into 3-inch squares. With the pastry squares cut out, it's time to make your Finnish Christmas stars. You need to make 4 cuts into the pastry, 1 from each corner, and make it 2/3 of the way towards the middle. So you end up with something like that. I hope you can see it. Once your pinwheel cookies are made, brush the top with beaten egg and then pop in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes until golden. Once your Finnish Christmas stars are cooked, leave them on the baking tray for 5 minutes and then transfer them to a wire rack until completely cold. Once they're completely cold, sprinkle them with icing sugar.